Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeoluwa, and in this particular channel, we talk about God, we talk about women, we talk about hair, you know, things that I think that we might need to thrive as women. And I've been experimenting with a lot of skin therapy. I'm somebody who likes DIY a lot, and so I just want to share some things I'm experimenting with. I don't have a full proof that it works, but we eat these things, so it can't be that bad for the skin, right? So I've been using it, and I see a few changes. Like my skin looks better. Like it wasn't like this. It looks better. So what did I start with? This might take a while, but I'll cut it short and talk about it more in subsequent video. But let me talk about my hair. So I washed my hair today, and I combed it and started like I normally do. What I did was, because of the pandemic, we're told that we should load up on vitamin C. I think you already know that. So we had some lime and lemon. So we squeezed the juice, we drank it, and then we took the peelings. We didn't throw them away. We put them in a pot, boiled them. So when we want to take our bath, that is what we will boil water in the kettle, that with lemon peelings or lime peelings and lemongrass and anything else we can throw into it. But it was just lemongrass, old lemongrass, and citrus peelings, lemon and lime, you know. And I am struggling with itchy scalp. You understand? Itchy scalp, dandruff. Like I have to wash my hair. Like I have no choice. I have to wash my hair like sometimes 3 times in a week, because it starts to get itchy. It gets very uncomfortable, and it's just so I just have to wash it. So that's what I did. I boiled it hot, so it wasn't extremely hot, but I made sure it was warm enough. I added water, made sure it was warm. Then I washed my scalp. The concentration was my scalp, because that was where I had issues. So the concentration was my scalp. So I just dipped my hands underneath. I added soap. I put soap because my hair is already split like this, and I've loosened it individually to wash. So but the lines are there, especially when you're used to doing a particular style over and over again. So I just put the soap on around like that, the soap gel that I use, and I added water. I wet my hair and my scalp, and I added water, and I added the soap afterwards. Then I used my fingers to just wash beneath the scalp, not the hair. It's not the hair you really need to wash, it's the scalp that needs cleaning if you have itchy scalp. So I just concentrated on that, and I was rinsing out. As I was rinsing it out, I was massaging my scalp and washing it and washing it. And after that, what I did was, I just remembered I had this onion oil. Okay, what is onion oil? I think I'll talk about that in another video, because this could get long. So I had this onion, I added onion, rice flour, and hibiscus tea, because I hibiscus flour into it. Now the only thing I think it really extracted from the whole thing was the onion, because that's the only thing I could smell. There's something about hibiscus flower that it doesn't how will I put it now? When you put hibiscus flower in water, immediately the water turns wine. It turns wine. But if you put it in oil, it doesn't remove anything at all. It took me a while to know that. So yeah, I just remember there was this oil with onion that I'd put in a bottle somewhere. So I just poured it with onion, and onion has sulfuric acid that helps to shed and reduce the rate at which you have dandruff, and reduces itchy scalp. So I just took the oil, put it beneath my hair. But before that, you have to check my video on how to absorb to mop up water from your hair after you've washed your head. You have to go and watch that. I can't add that in this video right now because I'm trying to make it short. So I added the oil in my scalp, and there was this bergamot cream that has been, don't ask me when it has been there, it's been years, probably older than me. Let's not go there. But hey, I thought, why not? What's the worst that can happen? I added it to my hair and I combed it. It was moist, by the way. My hair was still moist, not dry. I made sure that there was still moisture in my hair. Then I added it and I combed my hair in sections from tip to base. I think I mentioned that in one of my videos as well. So I go and check out my other videos and understand how these things work. So you can always try them. You understand? Um, and then let me know how that works for you. Okay, so I believe that with the lemon and citrus water that I used to wash my hair and the onion oil I used on my scalp, this is like the second time I'm doing it. So I believe that I'll find, it would be a bit more different this time. All right, so I'll talk about my skin therapy later. So until next time, stay blessed, stay healthy, eat organic, eat natural, eat natural, okay? And use natural on your skin. If you cannot eat it, try not to use it on your skin or your hair, okay? Love yourself, stay blessed. Shalom.